Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the shape of your face on the Facetune application, such as its width, your smile, your face's position, perspective and smirk. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and tap on a picture that you want to edit. Tap on the face button down below, which is the third option, and click on face. Here at the top you can, or in the middle of the screen, at the top of this section you can see the many categories that you can choose from. First of all, you can adjust the size. So on this scale you can make your face smaller, as you can see. You can change its width, your smile, the position of your face. So you should select a part to which you would like to insert this circle, thereby changing its position. You can also adjust the perspective of your face on this slide and the smirk as well. If you zoom in, you can see how it changes, so it's easier to adjust it. If you are done with all the changes, click on the check mark button down below in the right side corner of the screen to save your changes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.